Hello, and thank you for your interest in online graduate opportunities in agricultural and applied economics at Virginia Tech. I'm Dr. Dixie Watts Dalton, and I'm pleased to share a few insights about our programs. Our degrees were developed with working adults in mind. We have two master's degrees that are available, both that are 30 credit hours. We have flexible scheduling for you to take the number of courses per semester that work for your schedule. We do not require the GRE, and if you take two classes per fall and spring and a class in the summer, you can complete the master's degree in 24 months. The nice thing, though, is that you can also gain some additional credentials along the way. So let me talk first about our online Master of Ag and Applied Economics. If you'd like more information, you can reach out to me or our staff coordinator, Amy Guerin, both of whose emails are listed here. You'll also see the website for revisiting later. So when you think about what you'll need to do to complete the certificates and degrees, there are two certificates that stack to this first master's degree. All of our courses are online. They are all asynchronous. You do things at your own pace within the given time frame that the faculty asks you to utilize. Some of the faculty will have office hours via Zoom in which you can participate. Some may have guest speakers that you're invited to listen to live, but those would be recorded so that you could listen later. So everything is asynchronous online, and you work to the deadlines that are provided by your faculty. This first online certificate is the Applied Economic Analytics Certificate, and it has four 3-credit courses that focus specifically on that utilization of data. So economic analysis, data analytics, predictive modeling, data visualization. We utilize relevant business and agribusiness applications, so you'll get to see how the tools are utilized to answer real-world questions, and you'll gain skills in various data analytics tools like R and Python. The second certificate in this degree is the Agricultural and Applied Economics Certificate. Again, a 4-course, 3-credit each certificate where you look at real world situations and you use economics to answer questions. You use economics to manage production and financial risk, and you'll assess different policy proposals depending on macroeconomic conditions and utilizing economics tools. Now, if you look at the courses in each certificate, you'll see the 4 Applied Economic Analytics certificate courses listed first, Applied Economic Analytics, and then an Advanced Applied Economic Analytics, an econometrics, and a forecasting class. Within the second certificate, you'll have your micro and macroeconomics, you'll have a food systems course, and you'll have markets and prices. And then you'll add 3 additional courses to round out the 3-credit degree. So you'll take an agribusiness finance and risk management course, a 1-credit multicultural competency course, and you'll wrap up your degree with a 2-credit project and report, where you'll answer a real-world question using real-world data and utilizing the tools that you've learned throughout the course, throughout the program. You'll see here that the agribusiness finance and risk management class is in another certificate that's possible outside of and beyond this 30-credit degree. So that takes us to the second option for a master's degree, and that's the agribusiness concentration within the online Master of Ag and Life Sciences. So within the College of Agriculture, its master's degree has multiple concentrations available, with one of those concentrations being agribusiness. And I'm the one that oversees that program, and you're welcome to email me with any additional questions. So for this case, we've got the Agribusiness Fundamentals Certificate that stacks to the degree. So here we'll talk about management, marketing, finance, and policy as it relates to the agribusiness industry. And you'll focus on methods that look at production, human resource management. You'll create a marketing plan. There's financial analysis courses in the degree, and you'll have a food and ag policy class. So as you look at the first 4 courses listed here, that's the Agribusiness Fundamentals Certificate. And then you'll have a number of courses that are broader based courses that every student in the online Masters in Ag and Life Sciences take, regardless of which concentration they choose. So our Agribusiness Fundamentals Certificate is what makes our agribusiness concentration of the degree unique. And then you and all of your colleagues in that master's degree will all take this set of core courses. You'll have a Building Multicultural Competency 1 credit class. You'll have a class on research and leadership, one in food systems. You'll take a course that helps you to understand different types of research tools that you can utilize, either qualitative or quantitative research, and you get to select one elective. And the elective can either be another course within the agribusiness ag economics arena, or it can be from any of the other concentrations that exist within this online master's in ag. They're crop-focused concentrations, animal-focused concentrations, human nutrition, food safety, leadership, education, lots of different areas from which you can choose an elective course. And then 6 credits of your project and report. So you get to choose an issue that you want to research, and you can start working on that as soon as you want during the time that you're taking your degree, but you'll wrap up with that project and report as your culminating thing that you do for this degree. And one thing to note here, if getting the extra credential is not important to you, if you don't necessarily want to get that agribusiness fundamentals certificate, there are a number of other online courses offered through the agricultural economics department that you could take instead and substitute for one of those certificate courses. So if you're not interested in obtaining the certificate, you can substitute other agricultural economics courses to make up that agribusiness portion of your master's degree. So we hope that you will find something that's of interest to you, whether it's a full degree, whether it's a 4-course certificate, or if it's simply to take an online course or two to enhance skills. We hope that you'll find something that will meet your interest and meet your needs. So if you need more information, please reach out and let me know. I'd be happy to assist, and I do hope that you'll join us.